What happens if I don't pay my child support? I'm Tulsa attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we have. In Oklahoma, if you've got a child support order in place and you don't pay it, what can you expect to happen? Well, first off, it depends on what the other side does. Ultimately, there's an order in place. If you violate that order, that is contempt of court, but the court does not police its own orders. Somebody else has to bring that to the court's attention through filing a motion to get it before the court and pushing that forward. If DHS is an interested party in your case and you're not paying, they may do that rather than the other parent having to do that. So it could get done that way. Otherwise, it's the other parent that has to file with the court that alleged that you're not paying. So what happens? Somebody could file an application for contempt citation against you, allege that you're intentionally violating the court's order, and request that you be thrown in jail for 6 months and pay a $500 fine. That is what can be done. Other things that can be done to collect is they can garnish your wages, levy your bank account. They could, if the DHS is involved, there's a way that they can file to take away your licenses, whether that's a state driver's license or whether that's a state professional license. They can request that be taken away. So it can be collected like a judgment, and it can be collected and enforced like a court order through contempt. And then there's other special mechanisms like losing licenses that are specific to child support. So there are a lot of potential negative consequences to not paying your child support. And if you're in that scenario, you want to talk to an attorney about that for sure. So to get a free consultation related to that, you're going to want to talk to an attorney. Do that by going to makelawEasy.com and getting that scheduled. Again, that email address, or I should say web address, is makelawEasy.com.